U.S. stock index futures in rally mode here Monday morning at the New York Stock Exchange as strong manufacturing data out of China eased concerns of a global economic slowdown. A private survey did show China's manufacturing activity expand unexpectedly in March, its fastest pace in 8 months. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the euro-dollar's worry begin. That sees a bullish bias above 112.20. The British pound-U.S. dollar pair sees the bias remain bullish, while the U.S. dollar-Japanese yen pair sees the upside prevail. Now, the Australian dollar-U.S. dollar pair, that sees further advance, and that's in focus. The pair remains on the upside and remains supported by its rising 50-period moving average. Long positions above 0.7105 are favored with targets at 0.7145 and 0.7165 in extension. Moving on, the Bitcoin dollar intraday sees the upside prevail as long as 40.79 is the support, with a pivot point standing at 40.79. While in precious metals, gold, that's under pressure and in focus. Gold validating the lower boundary of a triangle and should face further weakness. Short positions below 12.96 are favored with targets at 12.83 and 12.79 in extension, while silver intraday sees a break of a short-term rising trendline support. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the New York Stock Exchange on Monday morning, I'm James Swinney.